So very good morning, students. Chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management. By name, is it very clear to all of you? It is basically express the things which are related to management. How management nature is, what is the importance of management, what are the various objectives of management. Okay. So first, let us start with management term here. Management term here. Okay. In that term, management means optimum uses of resources with minimum resources. We can say optimum utilization of resources with मिनिमम रिसोर्सेस. मैनेजमेंट का काम है हमें हमारे पास जो अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस हैं उनका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उपयोग करना, कम से कम रिसोर्सेस का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उपयोग करना. ओके. एंड वी कैन से वन मोर डेफिनेशन विच इज़ it is a process of getting work done through others. Management is a process of getting work done through others. Or we can say it is a art of manager for getting work through others. ये एक कला है मैनेजर की या एंटरप्रेनर की दूसरों से काम करवाने की कला जो होती है उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? मैनेजमेंट. वाई वी आर मैनेजिंग थिंग? बिकॉज every firm has their goal, common objective, and to complete that objective, we should plan something, we should organize something, we should direct something, we should control something. Okay. So to assemble all these factors, planning, organizing, directing, controlling, for that it required management term. Okay. Like here I am going to write one term, post corp. Okay. Post corp. Okay. Which indicate here, post corp term is indicate here functions of management. Okay. Which are very important, because absence of this function any management cannot work. Basically we can say every management is depend on these functions. These functions create some procedure, these functions create some steps for getting work done through others. Like here P indicate planning, O indicate organizing, S indicate staffing, D indicate directing, CO, here CO indicate controlling, R indicate resulting, and B indicate budgeting. Okay. These two you are not going to study in 12th class, but these 5 elements are very important. You have separate chapter. Chapter number 4 planning is separate chapter, 5 is organizing, 6 is staffing, 7 is directing, and last 8th one is controlling. Okay. Yeah, so we will discuss these terms in coming chapters. Now what management want? Management want two things. One is effectiveness, and second one is efficiency. One is effectiveness and second one is efficiency. Okay. In my previous session I also explained effectiveness and efficiency, but today I am going to explain. Maybe many of you skip my previous class, so that's why again I am going to explain. According to Peter Drucker, he said efficiency, doing right things. Okay. Efficiency means doing right things, and effectiveness means doing things right. Okay. So there is only one difference. There is only one difference between between the both sentences. So here you have seen two sentences I have written: effectiveness, doing things right, and efficiency, doing right things. There is only one difference. In first sentence right is written at the end of the sentence, and in second sentence right is between doing and things. Okay. So effectiveness, doing things right. If you are whatever you are doing, if it is already planned, if you are already prepared, okay. So you what you are going to do, it goes in the right direction. By this you can complete your task on time. Second one is efficiency, in which here sentence code is doing right things. The work which is performed by you, if you are performing in a right way, then you can save resources. What you can save? Resources. In case of doing right things, in case of things right, you can save times. But in case of doing right things, you can save resources. You don't have you do not have duplication of work, because duplication of work leads to wastage of resources. So I think it is clear to all of you difference between, what is the difference between, or uh, what are the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. So at the end of the chapter, uh, every management don't be only effective or not only be efficient. Every management must have both features with them, effectiveness as well as efficient. So for the success of any organization, both effectiveness and efficiency is very important. Every manager or every entrepreneur must take both of them together in a right way, right path, right direction. By both of them, they will achieve their objective. They can save their resources, and definitely they can complete their task on time or before time. And it helps in quoting price of the product what you are desired. So in tomorrow session, we will discuss about features of management. Got it? Thank you.